Hello YouTubers, it's Kate again from How to Media YouTube video channel. In this video we will talk about YouTube SEO. You will find out with which videos you can best optimize your files before you publish. Let's start. A brief explanation how it works. All files contains data, what tells YouTube what is exactly your video file about. You can use different programs to optimize your files for Google and YouTube. It's really hard to find applications what allows you to embed metadata in your image and video files. Here is a list of top 5 software what you can use to embed metadata in your files. Adobe Bridge, WONDERSHARE UNICONVERTER, Tago, abcAVI Tag Editor, and Image Metadata Manager. In next video you will find out how to optimize your video files with WONDERSHARE UNICONVERTER. Subscribe now and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay up to date. Thanks for watching. Bye.